each and every one of you. And please say a very good morning to Dr. Shazia. She's Yasmin's mommy from KG1. Say good morning, Dr. Shazia. So Dr. Shazia is going to be taking a nice talk for you right now, okay?
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the warm welcome. I'm more than happy to share a few thoughts with these boys, these little champs. Have you all been brushing every day, boys? People have been brushing every day. Yes, so these little champs are very good boys. Yes, so I am Dr. Shazia Nawab and I am a dentist. You know who a dentist is? Yes, I am a doctor for your little white teeth. Yes, you all have little white teeth in your mouth? Yes, everybody has little white teeth in their mouth, and so I'm a doctor who takes care of your little white teeth. So now I will be telling you all how you should be taking care of your teeth. What do you do with your teeth? First of all, you smile, right? What does a smile do? It makes all of you all happy. It makes your mama happy. It makes your daddy happy. And it makes your teacher happy. So once you smile, the people around you, the whole world around you smiles and they're happy. Right? Therefore, first thing what your teeth does is it gives you a beautiful smile. Imagine a smile without teeth. Absolutely ugly. Right? That is why you have beautiful white teeth and you should maintain them like that. Secondly, what we do with our teeth? We eat food. And how do we eat food? We bite on our food and we chew with our teeth. So what do we do? First of all, we will bite with the front teeth and we chew our food with the back teeth. This is how it makes the food soft, and when it enters your tummy, it helps it in digestion. Right? Now, once you eat food, what will happen? All this food will get stuck in between your teeth. Yes, there will be some carrots, there will be some rice, there will be some chapati all stuck in your teeth. Are you going to leave it like that? No, we cannot leave those things inside the mouth. They will stink and they will rot inside your mouth, right? And it will cause your tooth to become bad and worse and worse, right? Your tooth will start becoming dirty and they will start becoming black in color. What does black tooth mean? It is getting decayed, it's getting rotten. So we have to prevent all this. What do we do to prevent all this? If we have a decayed tooth, we will be having severe tooth pain. Yes, have you all experienced tooth pain ever in your life? It is very sad. You should keep your teeth strong and shiny and white and clean, so you do not have any kind of tooth pain. Right, boys? So, how many times are we going to brush? I'm sure everybody brushes just once in the morning. No, but the right way, the correct way is to brush twice. We will be brushing once in the morning when you get up and once at night when you before going to bed. Right? This is how many times you're going to brush? 2 times in a day. Yes, one in the morning and one in the evening before you go to bed. That is how you can keep your entire mouth clean. So now I will show you how you need to keep it clean. You need to keep your teeth clean, you need to keep your tongue clean and your gums clean. The 3 things in your mouth that you need to keep clean. So let's begin with your teeth. In your teeth, are you just going to brush it left and right, left and right, left and right? No, that is not the correct way of brushing the teeth. What we are going to do is a simple motion. We will be doing up and down, round and round. Okay, boys, we will be doing up and down, round and round for your front teeth. Alright, then we will be doing round and round, round and round for your back teeth. Alright, it goes for both the sides, left and right. And then we will open our mouth and we will clean the inside of the teeth in a pulling motion. It will be like this, inside out, inside out. So this way we will be cleaning every aspect, every part of your tooth. Alright? Then we will be able to kick out all the germs and all the food particles that are stuck inside. Then are you going to leave the toothpaste inside the mouth just like that after brushing and walk out? No. What we are going to do is we are going to clean our tongue first. We will be cleaning our tongue either with a tongue cleaner or even with a small toothbrush, the toothbrush that you use to clean your teeth. Just simple motion, round and round. So your tongue has to be nice and pink and not white and yellow and all sorts of other colors, right? This will cause bad breath and people won't come close to you. Do you want that? No, I'm sure you don't want that, right? And next is, after cleaning your tongue, what are we going to do? We leave the toothpaste in the mouth? No, we will rinse our mouth thoroughly. We'll take a small cup of water, take it in your mouth, swish and swash. How are we going to rinse? Swish and swash. Okay, swish and swash is the motion for rinsing your mouth. This will remove all the toothpaste that is stuck on your teeth, tongue and gums. Right? Then, after all these three things, your mouth is clean. Just maintaining them clean is not enough. You need to eat something that is healthy. I'm sure you all like candies, you all like juice and all sorts of unhealthy chips, right? Nobody is interested in having milk or cheese or bananas, but that should not be the case. In fact, you should be having at least 1 glass of milk in a day. A mandatory 1 glass of milk is very important for healthy teeth. Growing children need at least 1 glass in a day. And if you do not like milk, you have another option. You can always have cheese. A slice of cheese or two make a very good cover up for calcium. Apart from these things, now the green color on your screen will tell you food that you should be eating, and the red color which says stop means the food you should be avoiding, right? These food you can eat. The red unhealthy food you can eat once in a while, but it is important that you rinse your mouth after every meal. How will you rinse your mouth? Swish and swash, swish and swash, right? There. So for healthy teeth, for growing healthy teeth, what all do we require? A nice big glass of milk early in the morning or just before you go to bed. Right, boys? 2 glasses of milk, excellent. Or 1 glass of milk, good enough for your growing teeth. You can also have cheese, or you can have multiple tons of fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables not only provide minerals for growing teeth, they also provide strength to your gums. Okay, and protein is never a miss. Protein, you should be eating fish, chicken, eggs, prawns, whatever protein is coming close to your market, right? So this is what we should be eating for healthy growing teeth. Right, boys? And now we have 2 sets of teeth. One is the milk teeth or the baby teeth that you all have, right? These will eventually fall off and you will be getting a set of big white teeth just like your mommy and daddy and your teacher, right? You have a set of baby teeth and they have a set of adult teeth. So for having this set of good adult teeth, you should keep your baby teeth healthy and clean, right? And last but not the least, what we can do is every 6 months you should visit a dentist. This is a must because the dentist will look into your mouth, find out all the caries that are growing or all the problems that are there and take care of them well before they become a big problem. So we should visit our dentist at least once in a year or twice a year. That will make your teeth, your smile smart and healthy. So that's all about it, boys. This is how we are going to keep our teeth strong and healthy, and I wish you boys follow all the instructions. First is, how are we going to brush our teeth? We are going to brush it up and down, round and round. Alright boys, we will be brushing up and down, round and round, in and out, in and out. Okay, and how are we going to rinse our mouth? Swish, swash, swish, swash. We will rinse our mouth every time we have anything to eat. Okay, so to conclude, in this pandemic, in this COVID situation where everybody is having so much pain and there is so much chaos in the entire world, everybody is worried, we should be taking care of ourselves and our family members. If we take care of ourselves, then only we can protect our family. As children, what all can we do to protect our mommy and daddy and bhaiya and didi? What can we do? There are a few things that we should be doing. First of all, you will be wearing a mask every time you leave your house. Okay? And most importantly, you should leave your house just if it is required. Do not move out unnecessarily nowadays because the situation outside, the virus outside is very dangerous. It will cause breathing issues. It will cause issues for all of you, not only your mommy, daddy, but your grandparents and your neighbors. So if you protect yourself, you can protect everybody around you. So best thing is just stay at home. Secondly, if you ever move out, wash your hands once you're back. Wash your hands thoroughly at least for 20 seconds. Okay? If possible, take a shower. Okay? Take a shower every time you come back home. That is the best way of sanitizing your entire body. Right? Then, if you do not have water or you're not reaching home in time, use a sanitizer at least. If you're in your car or you're in a mall, somewhere around, you touch anything over there, use a sanitizer to stay clean. Alright? Do not put your finger in your nose. Do not put your finger in your mouth. Do not rub your eyes. Do not eat anything outside without washing your hands thoroughly. Okay? These things will cause the virus to enter your body and this will cause lot of problems.
Wash your hands.
Yes. And most importantly, your mask. I'm sure all of you are wearing a mask to school, to the mall, to the park. I know you all are very good and responsible boys. So, do take care of yourself, do take care of your parents, your teachers, your friends by keeping yourself healthy and fit. Okay, do not move out of the house unless required. Thank you so much boys for listening so patiently. If you have any question, you can ask me now. I think the boys have understood really well. They've enjoyed the videos and they have learned a very good lesson today, that they have to brush their teeth properly, they have to clean their tongue and they have to clean their entire mouth nicely. Right boys? I hope you follow these instructions. every day, okay? And you all will not cry, sing before going to bed. You all will not trouble your parents. I don't want to brush. No, that is a must. You should be brushing once in the morning and once at night. Yes, I hope you all will not trouble your parents now. Good boys, that's so nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Dear Dr. Shazia, thank you so much for taking the time out from your day to be a part of this session and for giving the boys such an informative and such a cute presentation on what oral health and hygiene means. So I'm sure they've learned a lot. I hope that you're going to practice everything that Dr. Shazia said, and you can all give Dr. Shazia a nice little clap for such a lovely presentation.
Thank you so much, boys. It has been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shazia. Thank you for
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, teacher.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. It was really great working with these kids. Very nice, very happy to talk to them. Very, very good class. Obedient class, I must say.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Thank you, Dr. Shazia. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye, boys. Bye. Have a nice time. Bye. 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 Bye bye.